Hi, welcome back. In this video, we're going to talk about public attributes. Here is my class called car, here is my constructor, and here is my function. I'm creating an object of this class called car, and we are passing two arguments because our constructor requires two arguments, brand and speed. So Toyota and 180. This is the two arguments that we are passing, and these two arguments or parameters are assigned to our attributes using the constructor automatically. Then we are accessing these public attributes using the object. So car1.brand and car1.speed, using the print function, we can see them in the output Toyota and 180. And also we can access the function called show_details. And this function, whenever it is called, it is going to return this for us. So the brand and the speed of the car, for example. So here I use the print function, and then using the first object car1, then dot, then the name of the function. I'm calling the function and we are showing this message in the output. So brand Toyota and speed 180. So here in this example, we learned that in a class, when we are having a name just like this and with no underscore, we're talking about public attributes. And we saw that outside of the class, it was easy for us to access these two public attributes. We could simply print them using the object, and we could simply also call the function using the object that is defined inside the class. So this function defined inside of this class, and using the object, we are accessing it. In the following videos, we're going to talk about other attributes that we can use in classes in Python. Thank you.